Page number 61. Mask. And the first question is this a mystery story? Give a reason for your answer. Totally depends on you. What you think. Is it a mystery story or not? Or mixed, whatever. Give reasons. Stand up and give reasons. Story on the spot. Okay. Anyone else? Yes, Prabal.
Creating an imaginative story with a mysterious background. And later, when the three men with guns arrived with the dog, they made the Frampton believe that though he had been ghost and rushed out of the house widely in fear. Hence, we can say that the story, the open window, contains
various elements of history. Okay. Anyone else? Yes. Mehak, what do you think? Yes or no? No? Yes? Fine.
The young brothers and his husband, her husband was dead, but later on they came back for that this Mr. and Mother thought that they are ghosts.
Okay. Bani. No? History. Who came to know? Everybody, I think, present there. The three the na? So the aunt and the niece, they both knew they were alive, right? Only Frampton, you can say he didn't know, and I don't think he last tak usse pata bhi chala because he just ran out. He wasn't there. According to him, there were ghosts. If you want to write no, you can, but reasons, you need to give proper reasons. This reason is not correct. Okay? Avni? Yes, it was in the end only that we. It was in the end that we came to know about the prank or imagination of the girl, right? End में पता चला हमें उससे पहले there was nothing, no clues were given, and the way she was, the expressions on her face, the way Mr. Frampton he ran out, everything showed or depicted that it was, yes, it was a kind of suspense, kind of mystery. Okay, at the end the mystery was revealed that it was all kind of imagination and a prank played by the girl. Okay, just to pass her time. That's all. Okay, next. Have you read this chapter? No, na? The cop and the anthem. No? Okay. Irony. What is irony? Opposite. Like I thought Anvay is very good child. But the irony is he's totally opposite. Means a good child in the sense means very calm, composed, not at all naughty. But the irony of the situation is it is about, mostly irony is about the situations. Okay, what we think, but whatever happens is totally different. ठीक है, हम imagine क्या करते हैं, सोचते क्या है और उसकी जगह यहाँ हम चाहते कुछ और है. irony is that totally opposite हो जाता है. Irony यहाँ पे ये भी कह सकते हो, like we always talk about saving environment, stop pollution and doing all these things, but what we are doing, what is the irony? That we are the one who just help to spread it. Okay, this is the irony. One hand we are saying we need to save everything, on the other hand we are the ones who just help and you can say add to the little components and all these things. So this is irony. The chapter The Cop and the Anthem. In this chapter, the story that I remember, it's like there was a man, okay, and earlier he wanted to be in the jail, okay, so he tried so many times कि उसे जेल में लेकर जाएं because he had nowhere to live, no house, nothing, okay, so he was just trying whatever he did, so many things कि cops आए या पुलिस वाले आए and they just arrest him and put him behind the bars. So he tried, I think, thrice with various things. उसने first time किसी की umbrella शायद उसने उठा के चोरी करी, बाद में पता चला वो जिसने जो umbrella चुराई है already वो चोर की ही थी and he was not that time caught. Second time he started shouting in front of university कि उसे पकड़ा जाएगा कि यूनिवर्सिटी में जो भी है यहाँ पे सब कुछ बिगाड़ रहा है. But that time he came to know there is some kind of function और ये आज allowed था to shout, and also he was just trying to break the law so that उसकी जो सर्दियां हैं, because he had no place, nowhere to live, so he just wanted to spend winter very, you can say, peacefully in the behind the bars. So what was he doing? He was trying everything to so that to attract the attention of the cops. Later on, what happened? Ultimately, he was just crossing a street and he came across his old house. Okay, his old house, and that in that house he saw one person. I don't know whether one lady or man, I don't remember, but somebody was there. They were talking and मतलब वो अच्छी it was like they were talking about we need to be very good, don't do these things, we should work hard if we want to live respectfully. Okay, everything was done. So that time he decided that now he would not do anything and he would live in a very respectful manner. He would find a job and then he would live with that. He was just thinking about this. वो वहां से कमरे की तरफ देख रहा था and police came और उस टाइम पे उन्होंने उसे पकड़ लिया because they thought he was what he was doing. He was trying to just go sneak in that house. वो चोरी करने वहां पे जा रहा है, बल्कि उस टाइम पे what he had decided to stop everything to be a good man. So this was the irony. When he was trying, कुछ नहीं हुआ. Every time he was saved, and when he decided to be the good man, that time they came and they arrested him. This was the irony. So what do you think? Is there any example of irony in the chapter? Yes. What?
When he wanted to be when he wanted to be
Let him answer. Let him answer. Then दिया करो. Pulkit, don't. If he is trying, let him.
when he was a bad man, he was not arrested. And when he tried to be a good, police arrested him.
Okay. Okay. I am now talking about this present, the open window. That is why I was also shocked. So, yes, chalo, it's okay. Whatever I have said right now, at least usne wo suna. So, yes, any irony, any example of irony? No, that was not irony. Or what? They were there. That's not irony. Why he went there? What was the reason? Anxiety issues and all, and what he got in return? It was the addition. So, what was the reason? Reason was his sister suggested that peaceful place so that he could be there and he could cure himself. Okay, cure his anxiety disorder and nerve breakdown and everything, whatever. But what happened? Irony was that it was just kind of, you can say, addition. He was worried, he was nervous, frightened that he had to leave the place. Is it okay? This was the irony. Third, you'll do yourself. Okay. It is always the best policy to speak the truth. Unless, of course, you are an exceptionally good liar. You agree? Yes? If you are not at all a good liar, so definitely, pakde jaoge jaldi. There is no fun. So what do you think about the girl, the niece? Was she a good liar? Right? She was a good liar. Very creative also. She created suspense and all, yes. And yes, at the end also she immediately created one more story. Acha, all truths are easy to understand once they are discovered. The point is to discover them. And this is the thing that we are not able to discover the truth. Here we lack. Now the question, the chapter is over. You need to write one speech. Discuss in small groups. First and second. Nahin. First and second. Well, that is just a hint. Nothing to do with this. You just need to give the example of irony. First, before writing the speech, one question is, add this question: what is the significance of the open window? You need to add this question also. What is the significance? What is the significance of the open window? What is the significance of the open window? Yes, anyone? What is the significance? Devon? Yes, Devon? Importance. What is the importance of the open window, that window? According to the chapter.
According to the chapter, the importance of the open window was that Ant was expecting that the husband and two brothers will come because they went to hunting for the forest and they get caught in they get fell down to the fog and she was expecting that they will come one day, but in the end they came back and started a little he makes that they were very cool.
Okay. Anyone else? Significance. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Significance. Pulkit. I speak, don't write. What is the significance, Pulkit? Very good. This is called, you can say, presence of mind. Shreya, what is the significance?
The significance of the open window is that the lady was expecting that from brothers and his husband would come from that and they have to
The question is, I'm talking about the open window. Siraf open window. Why this was, you can say, this is mentioned in the poem? Does the story revolve around this?
the whole story revolves around the art described about the window that it had some story behind it. And in the end, when actually the three figures come across that window, at that time, Mr. Crampton had a big shock.
Okay, Asta.
The importance of open window for onboarders and brothers and husbands will come by funding from the window, make a mess or uncast the meat after rain, even if you know inside as they are dead and would rather be back.
Yes, for the aunt, the importance was, the significance was that she was waiting that they would come through this window as they usually did. Yes, and what about the narrator? I mean this Frampton.
And at the time when they came back, he thought they were dead and he was in bored and he ran out.
He ran out. In the beginning only we came to know about the window, significance of the open window as narrated by the girl, okay, the niece. Later on when the aunt came, she also talked about that open window. She asked whether it is okay if the window, she keeps the window open, and then she also narrated, Angel, get up. She also narrated that everything about the window, what is the importance of window, why she had kept the window open. Okay, so this was the significance. And the story actually revolves, it was connected to the window. Okay, Manan? Mask. Now write down the topic for the speech. This is related to the previous chapter 5. Write a speech. Write a speech. Write a speech on the topic. War or fight is not. War or fight is not the only way to resolve war or fight is not only the way to resolve any differences. You have to write the speech. We still have time. Write down the beginning. Kurkaran, write down the beginning. And then you need to come here and speak. Manasu, write down. You need to come here and speak. No, not related to chapter, but in any case you want to give the example, then be brief. Okay? Otherwise, it is not related to the chapter. Okay? You have to give your viewpoints. Okay? Start. And Pulkit, have you written the answer significance? Hurry up. और डाउट सेंटर में लॉन्ग वीकेंड में बच्चे को और बच्चे ने कहा कि अभी तक नहीं लिखा या हम भी लिख रहे हैं. So I have 4 more periods in different classes. I'll take you there. I need just recording mic, that's all, and students. वो सभी होंगे वहाँ पे in every class. And this speech is to be done in your fair notebooks also. From tomorrow, start bringing your grammar books. Okay. First, we'll start report writing and then conjunctions. Great. Introduction means first you have to write the quotation. I'll skip that part. Okay. Then introduction, your introduction and introduction of the topic. That's what I want.
A very warm and glittering good morning to Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, and judges and my friends. Today Medha got a golden chance to express my feeling how fight is the only way to resolve.
Is not the only way. Is not the only way. Asa, come. आगे सीट ही नहीं है कोई. अच्छा बेंच आगे करें. डिफिकल्ट हो जाता बैठना. Asa, come. Start.
Being violent and fighting is a choice, not an option. Choose wisely. A very marvelous morning to the principal, ma'am, distinguished teachers, and all the fellow students. Today, I asked of class 8th, I am going to tell you my views about if fighting and arguing is the only option to clear disputes.
Okay. Anyone else? Karit and then Shreya. Karit, go there.
Have a pleasant and warm morning to all the respected principal ma'am and the respected teachers and all the
Don't
students.
laugh. At least he is trying.
I, Swarit of class 8, they got a golden chance to introduce a speak of fighting is not the only way to resolve a problem.
Okay. Karit. Otherwise, it is correct. ठीक है ना ही टॉपिक सीधा लिखना है जब चांस टू गो और राइट फॉर प्रेजेंट माय व्यूज हाउ टू अवॉइड फाइटिंग और वॉर्स टू रिजॉल्व एनी डिफरेंस. यस श्रेया बोल दे. अब बोल यार श्रेया.
A peaceful mind leads no fights. A very warm and pleasant good morning to respected principal ma'am, honorable teachers, and all my fellow schoolmates. Today, I, Shreya of 8th A, am here to share my views on why fight is not the only way to resolve a matter.
Okay. Hadi. Mic without mic. Camera में mic है.
Fights are not great, they create hate. A very warm and pleasant good morning to all respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I, Hardik of class 8, got golden opportunity to express my views on the topic. Fight is not way to resolve differences.
अच्छा हार्दिक one thing. Don't write that I got the you got the chance. This is okay. Express my views on the topic. Don't write on the topic. How the word and what the only way to resolve this thing or how to avoid war, what various ways to solve the differences, such type of things.
My views on
Topic नहीं लिखना word. ठीक है? Anyone else? Gurkaran go. Gurkaran. Hello. After Gurkaran.
Good morning to honorable principal, vice principal, and respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I, Gurkaran Singh of 8th class, I'm going to express my opinion on the topic fight is not the only way to resolve it.
Okay. Hello.
A very warm and pleasant morning to dear principal ma'am,
Dear, not dear. Respected principal.
respected principal ma'am, vice
It's okay. It's
principal,
okay. It's okay.
worthy teachers and all my dear friends. Today I, Dhairya of class 8th A, got a golden opportunity to express the views on topic war or fight is not the only way to resolve any difference.
Again, topic. Don't write the word topic. Okay? What I want to say is, whenever you write diary entry, informal letters or speech, what you do, you usually write. Today I'm going to write about this. Today my topic is this. Don't write this word. Okay? Done? Anyone else? Prabal? Come then now. Prabal, Paramjeet, and then Jevan. Others, please continue. Anvay?
Good morning to one and all present here. Today, I, Prabal of class 8A, got a golden opportunity. I want to express my views on the war is not the only way to resolve any differences.
Paramjeet?
War is never a choice to resolve. A very warm and pleasant good morning to respected principal ma'am, worthy teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I, parent of class 8th, have got a golden opportunity to present my views on how war and fight is not the only choice to resolve any differences.
A very warm, pleasant morning to Primardi Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, honorable teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I, Jamat Ratan of class 8th, got a golden chance to speak on war or fights are not debate to resolve differences.
Speak about throw my view, present my present my view. Okay, like Anasu. Trouble continue. Right according to 8 marks.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, honorable guests, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I, Manaswa of class 8th, got a golden opportunity to say some lines on fight is not the only way to resolve differences. At present time, being violent and non-friendly is very common between us. So we should improve our condition and be friendly.
Pleasant morning, respected principal ma'am, worthy teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I, Bani, got a golden opportunity to share my views on views on wars and fights are not the way to resolve any problem.
Okay. Acha, now if you are talking about this, I hope you know that there is not one type of war. So many types of wars, right? अभी ये जो पीछे चाइना का ये और था, no not Indo-China, ये this is Corona and all. इसे कौन सी war कह रहे थे? I forgot. No, not Cold War, not COVID. I forgot the word.
Disease.
What disease? Why? I don't know. जब याद आएगा, I'll tell. So you have to include everything in that. Okay? Mostly, first thing you have to give the reasons why the wars happen. Okay? Means after introduction, your first paragraph must be about how and why. What is the reason behind it? Why we only choose this option? Okay? First paragraph should be about this. Got it? Avni, come. Next, no. Yeah. What is the reason behind choosing the?
A very warm and pleasant good morning to respected principal ma'am, worthy teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I, Ummi Taban of class 8th, am going to share my views that war or fight is not the only way to resolve any differences. The views of different people can never be same, but to live all together in this society, we must understand one another and adjust with one another. By fighting, nothing can be resolved.
Okay. Definition or reasons. After that, you have to write the effects. What are the effects of the war? Okay? And why we should avoid the wars. And then give different ways. And when you are going to write about the different ways, divide those ways into various paragraphs. Is it okay? Not exactly. 6, 7, depends. It depends. First paragraph introduction, second paragraph why, third paragraph हो गया about the effects. What are the effects? ठीक है? And then ways. ठीक है? Different ways. And last paragraph must be about the message. ठीक है? हाँ, वो that is तो. Correct. What happened?